Hello everyone, my name is Ashlyn Light and I'm a Talent Acquisition Specialist at Mountaire Farms. Today I'm going to go over a few things. The first is going to be a little bit about our company, so who we are and what we do. I'm also going to touch on our career opportunities that we have, including the management trainee program and internship program, and I'll also go over how you can apply for those roles as well. So who is Mountaire Farms? For those of you who haven't heard of Mountaire Farms, we are currently the 6th largest poultry producer in the United States. Our company mainly operates out of North Carolina and Delaware, but we also have smaller satellite locations in Maryland, Virginia, and Arkansas as well. Mountaire Farms began as a commercial feed business in 1914, and we have grown into a vertically integrated company. Our business consists of 3 main functions: live operations, processing operations, and sales and support. Starting off in live operations, it all begins with our breeder division located in Statesville, North Carolina. Currently, Mountaire's breeder division is the largest breeder operation based out of one location in the entire United States. Our breeder operation produces 8.5 million eggs per week and covers roughly 13 counties in the state of North Carolina. Once we collect the eggs from our breeder operation, they are taken to one of our 4 hatcheries. We have 2 hatcheries in North Carolina and 2 hatcheries on the eastern shore of Maryland and Delaware. Between our 2 North Carolina hatcheries, we place over 3.2 million chicks on farms each week, and on the eastern shore, we place over 3.9 million chicks on farms each week. Once the chicks are transported from the hatcheries, they are placed on a contracted farm. On Delmarva, we have 575 contracted growers that help raise our broiler flocks, and in the state of North Carolina, we have 526 Mountaire growers. When it comes to how many birds we place on a farm at once, we identify stocking density by the square footage of the house, ventilation capacities, and the season. At Mountaire, we have our own feed mills that produce the feed for both our breeder flocks and broiler flocks. We have 6 total feed mills company-wide that produce over 70,000 tons of finished feed per week. Our feed mill team works closely with our nutrition team to continuously formulate new feed to adjust to our birds' needs. We wouldn't be able to run our feed mills as efficiently if it wasn't for our agribusiness team. Currently, we have 13 grain facilities in Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, and North Carolina. Our agribusiness team aims to gain as many grains as possible from our local farmers. We also bring in grain from the Midwest by train to keep our facilities as full as possible. We take most of the grains received from our agribusiness team and put them into our breeder and broiler feed. Once our broiler birds are ready for harvest, we transport them to one of our 4 processing facilities. Currently, our largest processing facility is in Lumberbridge, North Carolina. Our Lumberbridge complex harvests over 2.8 million pounds of chicken each week. With all 4 of our processing facilities combined, we harvest over 7.6 million pounds of chicken per week. Our Siler City processing complex is fairly new. Once that complex is fully up and running, we will advance to the 5th largest poultry producer in the United States. Unlike many of our other competitors, we are a private label company. We sell our products to the wholesale and retail segments of the market. Some of our wholesale partners include Buffalo Wild Wings, Zaxby's, Arby's, Costco, Kraft, and Hillshire Farms. A majority of our wholesale partners will either further process their product or sell it directly to their customers as a finished food product. When you go to a grocery store, you'll almost never see our label on our poultry products. Almost all of our retail partners have our products put in their packaging. Some of our largest retail partners include Aldi, Acme, Stop & Shop, and Walmart. During the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic, our retail segment of our business was the busiest due to more people cooking from home instead of eating out. So now that you're more familiar with Mountaire Farms and who we are, I'll touch on our management trainee program. Our management trainee program is a 50-week vertically integrated program for recent college graduates. Management trainees start out with 3 months in live operations, so that includes safety, breeders, the hatchery, feed mill, agribusiness, and grow out. Following live operations, they spend about 6 months in processing operations. So they're able to really tie in our vertical integration anywhere from hatch all the way to harvest and packaging. Once they complete that 6-month period in operations, they move to 3 months in supporting departments. So that includes purchasing, transportation, resource recovery, sales, accounting, IT, HR, environmental, and engineering. If you're looking for more of an internship or learning more about our industry, our internship program at Mountaire is a great place to start. Our internship program covers live operations, processing operations, and sales and support. This year, our internship program is roughly 10 weeks long, and every intern is provided a specific project that they'll be working on during the summer. Our internship program is paid as well. It starts at $15 an hour, and for any second year returning interns, they'll be compensated $17 hourly. For anyone that may need housing, that is something that we provide as well. So if you're interested in applying to any of our opportunities, you can visit our job site at mountairejobs.com. It'll pull up a search bar where you can type in either management trainee or internship, for example, and it'll pull up all of our current opportunities that we do have. If you happen to have any questions about our internship or management trainee program or any career opportunities at Mountaire Farms, please feel free to reach out. My email is ashlynwhite@mountairejobs.com, or you can text chicken to 97211.